It was the biggest advancement we'd seen in pest management possibilities, not just for pest management, but the capacity to transform plants with introduced genes that gave novel traits was groundbreaking. Well, I'm Dr. Gary Fitt. I was at Narrabri with CSIRO for 20 years, from 1983. The number one challenge was to find a way to manage this technology once it was deployed in the field so that we didn't get resistance, because the cotton industry had been very familiar with resistance evolution in Helicoverpa. It had evolved resistance to all the major classes of chemical pesticides that have been used to control it. But with BT cotton, it was such a different approach. Insect tolerance built into the plant that we had an opportunity to think about better ways to avoid resistance, not manage it. So a preemptive resistance management strategy. And in the case of cotton, because insect pests have been the Achilles heel of the industry, insect resistance was the number one target to start with. And so all of these were elements of our preemptive resistance management strategy, and it was novel in that we were trying to avoid getting resistance, not dealing with resistance when it had occurred. So the industry may not have survived that without the capacity to reduce pesticide use by about 90%, which is stunning. That's been the biggest benefit that has helped sustain the industry and has had huge environmental benefits in reducing that. I think when you combine BT cotton with the amazing yield improvements that our breeders have also achieved over the last 3 decades, the crop is now hugely profitable. I'm proud that we pulled together a rigorous strategy, and so proud to see that it's endured 30 years. Like, to pull that together, to get industry adoption and then see it sustained, you'd have to be proud of that.